Welcome to the late start on the vlog. The kids are already home from school. We're leaving the house. We're gonna go to Ikea because we gotta go get some things for their rooms in the playroom and stuff like that, so that way they can organize their toys. So let's go to Ikea. But now I'm back inside because we're running into a mask dilemma. Whenever the kids go to school, they can wear their cloth mask, which I gotta wash them because I forgot to take them and wash them the other day. So they're running low on those. But whenever we leave the house, they can only wear the N95 or a surgical mask. And we're running low on the kid size surgical mask, which it's been a little over a month because I bought masks before we left. And we're just not running out of those. So they're having to wear the N95s. So I need to go and find some place that has cloth mask or surgical mask for kids that they can wear. Ikea with a few more things, but I tell you what though, I could have been leaving with a whole lot more stuff if I had that choice, because I love Ikea. You love Ikea?
Yep. Oh, Dad, stop doing that.
I love Ikea.
Where's Dad?
And so I could have walked out with a lot more stuff.
Today was picture day.
It was. Ow! You shocked me. It was. How'd you smile? Is that how you smiled? You're cute.
It was a picture day.
Go down. So cute and sweet whenever kids fell asleep in the car, and then now you're like, it's almost 7 o'clock. I don't think so. Wake your booty up, because he's gonna sleep tonight. Because he's got to sleep tonight.
Travis is leaning on me.
Hi, Travis.
Oh. Hi, fans. Hi.
Crazy.
Hi.
So we got the kids these little under the bed storage things, so they can just go under their bed for the toys that they want to keep in their rooms, so that way it's not all over the place, and it helps clean up their rooms a little bit. Right? You like it?
Yeah.
So Travis got his room situated and organized. He's got his new rug on his floor that he wanted to put in front of his bed. He's got his Minecraft shoes. His bed It's a little mess because it has all of his stuff on it that he sleeps with that night.
I have to organize it.
Yeah, he sleeps with all of that. So, yep, you like it?
Yeah.
And that's a box that I need to finish going through tomorrow. It's got pants in it that should fit him now. They're size 7. But yeah, his little wall sticker over here keeps coming off on this side. And also I have to do Weston's, but because we've been waiting on Amazon to send us his bed or his mattress, his bed still is not put together because we're waiting for Amazon to, yeah, we'll put your stuff, new stuff on your bed. But because we've been waiting on Amazon to send his mattress, his bed still isn't put together. So once his bed gets put together, he'll have his own little personal stuff in his room, but we're just waiting for that. Hey, you ready to go night night? No?
I want them to be.
You're not ready to go night night because you slept, huh? But I bet you're tired. You didn't really sleep for long. You are tired. Huh? What'd you say? Travis. You sleepy?
No.
No. Alright, I got my little buddy here. We're gonna end the vlog now. And Kylie is already asleep. She went upstairs and went to sleep. And nobody knew until they went up there. So, can you tell them we will talk to you later?
We will talk to you tomorrow.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Can you say bye?
I'm going to show you guys my clean room.
Okay.
Sorry, guys. Now, this is my carpet. My room theme is Pokemon. That is Pokemon. If you guys are Pokemon haters, do not watch this video. Because my room is Pokemon themed. And then this is my Beyblades. Arena. And this is my sheets. And this is my Lego. These. My stuff. That's a Pikachu lip, and this is how you turn it on. This remote.
Alright, we'll get bed.
And that
Are you
is.
done?
Oh, and also this is. That.
Good job.
And that.
Alright, good night.
A Pokeball. That.
Go to bed.
You can pause the video if you didn't see these. That. Wait.
Someone go night night. Yeah, you have to.
That Pikachu, Pokeball, Charmander, Pokeball, Raichu, and Meowth, and I need to come over. Meowth, and then Mew, and then my name right there with Pikachu on it. And then Jigglypuff, a Pokeball, and then those, and then that, and then the penguin, and then the Pokeball, and then Scoldo. So that is my room. Bye.